I will show you 3 things to put into the ground when planting your pepper seedlings so as to get an abundant harvest. Here in the tropical climate, we often transplant our seedlings early morning or late afternoon. But for other regions, we suggest you plant when the temperature is warm at or about 15 degrees Celsius. We suggest you space your seedlings 12 to 18 inches apart, so as they grow larger, they do not compete for oxygen, space and light. So we add grass clippings, which is a great source of nitrogen, an essential macronutrient responsible for green leaves. Also micronutrients in available quantities to the plants. We also add wood ash in quantities of 2 to 4 teaspoons. It is often used in soil that is acidic as it generally neutralizes the soil. Though we will get from the soil potassium, phosphorus, calcium and other macronutrients, we still add ground eggshells for added calcium in 2 to 3 teaspoons. Add some chicken manure as well. It's a great source of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. You may also want to add other organic feeding such as a handful of banana peel, as it has a good source of NPK in adequate quantities. So all these ingredients when applied should be mixed with the soil. Plant your pepper up to the seed leaf or cotyledon just to give it a sturdy base. Water thoroughly and mulch to preserve moisture. To enable your plant to survive stress or transplant shock, you will dilute a vitamin C tablet in water. You may apply this top dressing to the foliage in the form of spray as well as pouring it at the roots. Remember, do not overwater your pepper plants. Peppers are congenial, so it is best to keep the soil more on the dry side. To see how I created self-watering system for pepper plants from milk cartons, you may want to watch this next video. In order not to miss my videos, subscribe so you'll be notified of existing and new uploads.